Welcome back to the Monsieur Balisong Chronicles. It is currently, I think, 3 degrees Fahrenheit outside. The wind chill is definitely negative, like 10, but that's not going to stop us because we have a grail in the mail. And there it is. Time to open this bitch up. Alright! Yeah, okay, here we are again. Back inside with the package, same package I just got from outside. And I checked the weather. 6 degrees Fahrenheit feels like negative 16. Holy shit. Without further ado, let's open this package, right? So we got ourselves an EX10, which is going to be fitting for what's inside this package. Let's pop it open, not show you my address. Nice. Nope, didn't get underneath the cardboard. There we go. Excellent. Excellent. That's what you want. Now it should just not exactly open the way I thought it would, but it's open nonetheless. Woo! That's my name. Aw, he wrote my name on the inside of the box. That's so sweet. I'm gonna look at that off camera. Yup, that is indeed how much I paid. Alright. Now we got our EX10 off to the side. Time to open up the big fucking boy. The huge boy. This has been a grail that I've been searching for, I want to say, for about a year now, and I got it straight from the source, not used. Brand spanking new. Geof Dumas Knife and Tool Co. Just like the EX10 unboxing. Let's pop this shit open. Hoo-hoo-hoo. There's the EX11 in the packaging. Got themselves a pocket clip, which I will politely not install. Extra screws, washers. What are these? No, are these weights? These look like weights. I don't know. And then a latch. That's insane. Alright. Here we are. Here we are. Only one thing to do, and that is unzip, slowly open the butte. Alright, I'll set this over with my EX10 package. Look at the same case right over there. EX11. How fitting. Using an EX10 to open an EX11. Trash. Oh, it's chilly. Oh, it definitely feels like it's been in 6 degree weather. Whoa, those fucking tolerances. There's not an inch, there's not a fucking quarter millimeter of play on this thing. And I got these skeletonized titanium spacers, which just, these are titanium spacers, and then the inside's all cut out, if you can see that. I hope I am showing you the correct angle. And of course, there it is. The Tonto Geof Dumas EX. Number 36, if you can see. Not sure if you can. Whatever. Yes, now I own 2 EXs. Let's fucking go. Zero play, as you can see. Okay, maybe there's a tiny amount of play. Let's check out the balance. So the balance is near the inside of this first long cutout versus this. Very, 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 very similar. That has a better sound. This is like a higher pitched ping. This is a lower pitch. Let's throw some beautiful oil inside this bad boy and flip it for real. Pop that right in there.
Pop this shit right in. And let's do this. Everybody Moist Critical. And this is an EX11 from Geof Dumas.
Alright, let's stand up and flip this bitch. Say hi to puppy. Luna! She is not interested in looking at you guys. Okay. Oh, I gotta break this shit in. Hold up. You stay away. Okay, good. Woo! I'm not dropping this knife. I am not dropping this fucking knife. So first impressions, it's a Geof Dumas handmade EX. Those are my impressions. Yeah, there you go. And it's not a stepped pattern. It's hand ground, I think is what he called it. Number 36, EX11. First impressions, it's fucking awesome. Obviously, it's an EX. No shit. It's rare. I got it brand new. Geof Dumas. EX11. Forever. Alright guys, see you in the next video. I'll be reviewing this thing eventually. Peace.